What is oil analysis? Oil analysis is one of the most important components of a condition-based maintenance tool, a practice of assessing a machine's condition by the routine activity of analyzing oil health, oil contamination, and machine wear. When an abnormal condition or parameter is identified through oil analysis, immediate actions can be taken to correct the root cause or to mitigate a developing failure. Oil analysis plays a vital role in a reliability program. By regularly monitoring oil samples, potential issues can be detected early, preventing costly breakdowns. Particle counting is another critical aspect of oil analysis, helping to identify the type and quantity of contaminants. This data provides insights into the wear and tear of machinery components, guiding maintenance decisions. Implementing a robust oil analysis program can significantly enhance machinery reliability and longevity. In conclusion, leveraging oil analysis and particle counting is essential for optimizing machinery lubrication and ensuring operational efficiency. Oil analysis provides early identification and warning signs of machinery wear and failure modes, which allows maintenance before catastrophic failure occurs. This proactive approach can save significant costs associated with unexpected downtime and repairs. It provides root cause solutions to failure, helping to pinpoint the exact issues causing wear and tear. An effective condition monitoring tool, oil analysis complements other predictive maintenance tools like vibration analysis, infrared thermography, ultrasound, and more. By integrating oil analysis with these tools, a comprehensive understanding of machinery health is achieved. It builds confidence in the decision to remove an oil from service, ensuring that oil is only replaced when necessary, thus optimizing oil usage and reducing waste. Regular oil analysis can also extend the life of machinery by ensuring that it operates under optimal conditions, reducing the likelihood of unexpected failures. Additionally, it helps in planning maintenance schedules more effectively, ensuring that machinery is serviced at the right intervals. This leads to better resource allocation and improved overall efficiency of the maintenance process. In summary, oil analysis is a vital tool in predictive maintenance, offering numerous benefits that enhance machinery reliability and performance. Oil analysis program design steps. First, initiate the program setup by identifying machinery and lubrication points. Next, develop a sampling strategy, including frequency and methods. Ensure proper data logging and sample analysis procedures are in place. Diagnose and prognose based on the data collected. Track performance over time to identify trends. Finally, conduct a cost-benefit analysis to evaluate the program's effectiveness. By following these steps, you can optimize machinery lubrication and extend equipment life. Reliability engineers are gearing towards oil analysis and particle counting as vital programs for predictive maintenance and reliability strategies. These techniques help in identifying potential issues before they lead to machinery failure. By analyzing oil samples, engineers can detect contaminants, wear particles, and other indicators of equipment health. Particle counting provides a quantitative measure of contamination levels, allowing for precise maintenance actions. Implementing these programs can extend machinery life, reduce downtime, and save costs. For example, detecting metal particles early can prevent catastrophic gearbox failures. Overall, oil analysis and particle counting are essential for maintaining optimal machinery performance and reliability. The LaserNet 200 series is much more than a particle analyzer. It also calculates free water in parts per million and differentiates contaminants like silica from machine wear such as metal. In addition, this instrument provides particle counts and codes, abnormal wear classification, and ferrous wear measurement. The LaserNet 200 series offers the widest range, up to 10 million particles per milliliter. It features automatic wear particle shape classification and ferrous particle analysis, along with error correction for water and air bubbles. The LaserNet 200 series is designed for ease of use with a user-friendly interface that simplifies the analysis process. Its intuitive software interface allows for quick setup and operation, making it accessible for both novice and experienced users. The device also supports detailed analysis and reporting, providing comprehensive data for informed decision-making. Routine maintenance is straightforward, ensuring the device remains reliable and accurate over time. The LaserNet 200 series is a versatile and essential tool for any industrial laboratory, enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of oil analysis and particle counting. The LaserNet 200 series offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to enhance particle analysis. Key features include particle count size distribution and codes, ISO 4406, NAS 1638 Nevada 011A17, SA as 4059 GHOST ASTM D6786 HAL and user-defined bins. It can differentiate contaminants like silica and fibers from machine wear metal. The LaserNet 200 series classifies wear particles, stores images and reports particle count and size for cutting, sliding, fatigue fibers and non-metallics wear types. It measures ferrous content in the sample with ferrous particle count and size distribution, and differentiates large ferrous particles greater than 25 microns from total ferrous particles. The instrument reports the percentage of large ferrous particles and provides a ferrous wear severity index for easy trending and interpretation of the ferrous measurements. Additionally, the LaserNet 200 series offers advanced features such as automatic calibration, ensuring consistent and accurate results. The system is user-friendly with an intuitive interface that simplifies the analysis process. It also supports remote monitoring, allowing users to access data and control the instrument from anywhere. This makes it an ideal choice for both on-site and off-site analysis, providing flexibility and convenience. The LaserNet 200 series is a powerful tool for maintaining machinery health and optimizing lubrication practices. Sample preparation is efficient with the LaserNet 200 series. Viscosities up to 320 centistokes can be processed without dilution due to the wide dynamic range. And unlike conventional light blockage particle counters, there are no flow control valve adjustments needed when testing different sample viscosities. With an intuitive, configurable graphical user interface and no calibration required, the LaserNet 200 series is fast, accurate, and easy to use. Proper labeling and organization of oil samples are crucial for accurate analysis. The LaserNet 200 series supports efficient sample management. Precise measurement of oil samples is essential. The LaserNet 200 series ensures accurate sample handling with minimal error. Maintaining a clean and organized workspace is vital. The LaserNet 200 series is designed for easy maintenance and cleaning. Reviewing analysis results is straightforward with the LaserNet 200 series. Detailed reports provide comprehensive insights into oil conditions. Collaboration is enhanced with the LaserNet 200 series. Teams can easily share and discuss analysis results for better decision-making. The LaserNet 200 series streamlines the entire sample preparation process, making it efficient and user-friendly.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
For more info on LaserNet finds, visit www.spectrosky.com. LaserNet finds provide critical insights into machinery health by analyzing fine particles in lubricants. For more updates on machine condition monitoring, log on to www.monitormaxengine.com. Our platform offers comprehensive tools for real-time diagnostics and predictive maintenance. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel at Monitor Max, like and share with friends and colleagues. Stay tuned for more tutorials and expert tips on optimizing machinery performance. Remember, regular oil analysis and particle counting are key to extending the lifespan of your equipment and preventing costly breakdowns.